Yes, good. What we're going to do is we're going to talk about something that's pretty exciting. Is that okay? Making money. Can you guys get excited about making money? They told me when I came here from the U.S. that people in the UK don't get excited about money. Is that true? Is that true? No, of course you guys can get excited. What we're going to do this weekend is we're going to show you some things that are going to allow you to start making money, not next week, not next year, but today. Is that okay? You see, there's a myth floating around the internet. The myth is this, is that it takes years to make money. I don't care about a 3 to 5 year plan. I want a 3 to 5 hour plan. Is that what you guys want? Yes? Yes, get excited about this because this is what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about me. And we're going to talk more importantly about you and how you can build your business and build a legitimate business, one that you can be proud of, one that's not just for you, but one that's for your family now and into the future.